Spending 20,000 on a smartwatch is a one-time investment and you need to be choosy. For your convenience of choosing, we have compiled a list of some of the best smartwatches under 20,000. Our detailed list will help you to make a balanced final buying decision. So guys, this is Sulaiman Khan and let's start. So the first one in our list is Oppo Watch. The newly launched Oppo smartwatch has got the eyeballs of the tech geek thanks to Apple's look design and solid build body. The watch is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon Wear 3100 processor, which ensures smooth functioning of the watch. The watch comes in two display size, 41mm and 46mm, but we will be reviewing the 46mm variant. The watch has a strong build where the frame of the watch is crafted with a Series 600 aluminium, which makes it ultra light. The display of the watch curves on the sides and meets seamlessly at the ends. You get two buttons on the side of the watch to control all the activities. The straps of the watch are made up of fluoro rubber and come with a whole mechanism for adjustment. The watch looks stylish and attractive when put on. The 46mm display, which is 1.8 inches display, is a flexible dual curved AMOLED display that supports a resolution of 402 into 476 pixels. The display is 5 ATM water resistant that can resist up to 50 meters of water ingression. The colors produced by display is vivid and bright, which is easily visible under direct sunlight. The touch screen response of the watch is quick and interactive, which gives you a lag-free experience. If you want an Apple look watch that is loaded with premium hardware, then this is the best choice. The watch is available in two colors, black and gold. So the next one in our list is Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. People prefer the Samsung brand in gadgets due to the quality it offers. Samsung Galaxy Watch Active is a next generation watch that has a stylish design and eye-pleasing look. Samsung Galaxy Watch has a small circular dial that is coupled with interchangeable straps of 20mm. You get watch faces to customize the look of your watch. On the right side of the watch, you get intuitive mounted control buttons. The watch is waterproof and can resist deep water ingression. The watch comes in four beautiful colors that include black, green, silver and gold. The watch has been fitted with 1.1 inches circular Super AMOLED display that supports 360 into 360 resolution. It is a full color always on display that is shielded with Corning Gorilla Glass. The capacitive touchscreen is responsive and does not lag. As stated earlier, the watch is waterproof. It can resist up to 50 m of water ingression. Talking about the battery capacity of the Samsung watch, it can last up to 45 hours on a single charge, which is up to the mark. The watch comes with an innovative wireless power share feature that helps you to charge it with ease. You get all the needed sensors alongside stylish design. If you are a Samsung lover, then this can be one of the best smartwatch under 20,000 for you. So the next one in our list is Apple Watch Series 3. Apple Watch Series 3 is a stylish smartwatch that can be used with all the latest Apple devices and has all the latest software's updates. Apple Watch Series 3 has an ergonomic design that has a square-shaped dial. The watch has interchangeable straps that can be changed according to the occasion. The watch has a physical button that can be used to track every physical activity. The watch has a display size of 1.65 inches that supports 312 into 390 pixels resolution. The display is an OLED Retina display that supports Force Touch. The display of the watch is protected by sapphire glass, which saves it from breaking. Talking about the battery of the watch, it has a 341 mAh battery that will offer you a standby time of 18 hours. The watch supports wireless charging, which is one of the unique features that most of the smartwatch does not offer. The watch has a supreme build quality, which is coupled with dual-core CPU. It has all the sensors that will help you to track all your activities. So the next one in our list is Huawei Watch GT2. Huawei is one of the best brands in terms of innovation. Huawei Watch GT2 offers you some exclusive features which you will not find in any smartwatch. It has a sporty look and super long battery life that makes it one of the best smartwatch under 20,000. The watch has a sport look where you get a round analog display which comes with a variety of watch faces. The straps are made up of skin-friendly material which makes it easy to put on. You get 2 buttons on the side of the watch to control all your health-related activities. Talking about the display of the watch, it has been equipped with a 1.39 inches AMOLED display which is a 3D glass screen. The watch produces vivid colors that give you an immersive visual experience. The display of the watch is durable thanks to gemstone processing technology which makes it rock solid. The watch is water and dust resistant which makes it ideal to carry outdoors. The watch offers you long-lasting battery life thanks to Kirin A1 chipset which consumes less power and give you usage time of 14 days. You get all the hardware features in the box that can help you to keep track of your health. Overall, the watch has ticked all the boxes that you would need in a quality smartwatch. So the last one in our list is Mobvoi TicWatch C2. The watch is a sleek and stylish one that looks classy when you fit in your wrist. Design is one of the highlights of the watch. The body of the watch is made up of stainless steel which makes it durable and lightweight. The circular dial watch is coupled with pure leather which is skin friendly. The straps of the watch are interchangeable and you can choose from a wide variety of bands. You also get beautiful watch faces for every occasion. The watch can resist extreme outdoor conditions as it is water and sweat proof. The watch has been equipped with a 1.3 inches AMOLED display that flaunts beautifully on your wrist. The dial is small which makes it look more attractive. The perfect round display is coupled with a large screen to bezel ratio which further enhances the appeal of the watch. TicWatch C2 is packed with 400 mAh battery that can last up to 2 days on a single charge, which is up to the mark in this price segment. Intensive use of the watch can cause this figure to decrease. If you are searching for style coupled with performance, then Mobvoi TicWatch C2 is your final destination. The watch is worth spending your hard-earned money. So this was an awesome list which we have compiled for you choosing convenience. Do comment and tell us about your favorite watch of this list of best smartwatches under 20,000. You can also tell us the specific feature of each smartwatch that makes them unique. Keep suggesting to us some more topics which you would like to see on our channel. That's it for today. Thank you so much.